हाँ सर, क्या चाहिए?
एक चाय।
जरूर सर, प्लीज बैठिए।
Nervous. Are you here for the interview?
Yeah, but I'm not nervous.
No, my boy. You see, they're telling a different story.
Excuse me?
Come, have a seat. If you have time.
Alright. Anyways, the second round starts in an hour or so. I won't mind a company.
Attitude walk. Heavy steps. Glances around walk. Never misses anything.
You were saying something nervous. How?
Observing your feet.
My feet. So you mean to say that I wasn't walking properly?
No. Not that. It's just that while you were walking, I observed your walk. I realized that you were nervous at that moment.
Listen, ma'am. I don't want to offend you, but are you like some of those crazy old women who give lots of free advices? Look, I've had enough of it today in my interview.
Maybe I seem like crazy, but I assure you I'm definitely not the one. At least, not the last time I checked.
Okay. You kinda got me over there. I am a bit nervous today. But I'm still unable to get the connection between my being nervous with my feet.
Look, my boy, God is a splendid artist. He creates everything with utmost perfection. Human body. Human body is the greatest creation of God. Every single body part has a story to tell, even emotions. Basically, it's a synaptic mechanism. Your brain thinks, your body parts act accordingly. Same with your emotions.
So you observe people with their body language.
No, not exactly body language. Maybe feet, walking styles.
Feet. That's interesting. People read faces, hand gestures, handwriting even. But feet, that's a new one for me.
Dragging feet. Move slowly. Depression. Next to him, Gato's walk, as if saying, "Yo man, what's up?" Happy bouncy feet. Ah, what a positive persona. Extreme left. Not right, left. My shoes are tight. Ouch.
Okay. Then, tell me about that one.
That one-legged walk shows determination, courage, commitment. He's not responsible for this condition. Sometimes you are not responsible for your own destiny. Who knows, he may have been born disadvantaged, or may have lost his leg in a battlefield, protecting his motherland. Or maybe suffering from an ailment like polio. Maybe.
Polio? But I heard that polio has been eradicated from a country.
Yeah, that's true, as there are no new cases. But what about the old ones? Those who have been already been victimized by this disease? The ability to walk, to run, is snatched at a very tender age. One cannot imagine the feeling to run to walk, to play. When people of their own age, they're walking, they're playing, they're dancing around.
Yeah, God can be cruel sometimes. What do you do, madam?
I run this canteen.
If this canteen owner can see my nervousness, those interviews would take a few seconds to throw me out. Do you think I have any chance in my interview today?
Don't worry, son. Everyone has to face this situation. You'll be fine.
This ability of yours, is it a God gift?
I don't blame God for this.
A lady with a motherly touch touches me and passes by. That crippled old lady taught me the lesson of life and turned out to be an angel in disguise.
I didn't really meet a boy, nervous by the by, but a generation young, doubting themselves, thus blocking vision of the eye. Yet with love and words of wisdom, the inner confidence comes, and so from a boy, man becomes.
Is the world really all about perception?
Be careful how you interpret the world. It's like that only.